if you are wondering if you have to purchase the original Xiaomi charger or power adapter for POCO X8 Pro Max, then the answer is no, not really. For example, in my case, I use a power adapter that is made by Realme, and it works just fine. I can use it easily in order to charge POCO X8 Pro Max. So in your case, you can also just get a power adapter made by another brand. This can be, for example, Samsung, Google, Motorola, Oppo, Realme, OnePlus, and so on and so forth. This goes on and on. Of course, it is recommended to use power adapters made by well-known brands, and I would definitely not recommend to use power adapters made by like brands that are not really known, like some knockoffs and so on and so forth. I would avoid using these chargers. But yeah, you don't have to specifically use power adapters made by Xiaomi, POCO, or Redmi. You can use other brands as well. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is the port. The original cable is USB-A to USB-C, so ideally you want to find a power adapter that has USB-A port, so you can use the original cable. But if you have a power adapter that has USB-C port, and if you have a cable for that, then of course it doesn't matter, and it works as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.